Hello there, and welcome back to the D25 website experience. This is Michael Levy with the web team. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our blog posts and some of the features that go with it. Now, there was a previous video about the blog overview, and if you haven't seen that one, please make sure to see that video because it does. I go a little bit into the archives by the month as well as the categories that you'll see below. In this video, we're going to talk a little more about the commenting feature. Now, in each of the blog posts, you will see in here that they will have the actual blog article that you will have in here. Now, you'll also notice that here on the far left side, there's going to be a place where you can leave your feedback. And with the comment system that the blog has, it has ability where you can rate the article. So if you really like the article, we do have a place where you can give it a 5-star rating, 4, 3, 2, or 1 star. And another great feature too is that if you liked it so much and you want to leave a comment, you can. And comments and everything can be left in here. And then you would put your name and then your email, and website's not required, but if you can, make sure to have your name and email, and then you will be able to post comment. Now, another great thing too is that if you do want to keep up with this particular blog post and you made a comment and you want to subscribe, and whenever anybody else comments on it, you can go in here to subscribe, and you have a couple different options to choose from. You can either do new follow-up comments or new replies to the comments that I've put on here. And make sure you put your email, and then that will get you subscribed, and you'll be alerted whenever there's a new comment on the blog. So another cool feature there, so you can leave comments, about how the experience and what you loved about the article, and if there was something personal that that you wanted to share, you can do that here. But that's a nice upgrade that we've got on for this blog post all throughout the site, and you will be able to do that on any of those pages. And then again at the bottom too, you can also, if it also gets to be where there's a lot of comments and reactions, this will also trigger, this may be one of the most reacted comments, or it could be one of the more popular comments on the hottest comment thread. They don't, on each of the blog posts, whenever there's a comment, they will keep track of how many comments there are, and then you will be able to see that. And if you want to be alerted to and notified of these replies of your content and comment, you will be able to click this here, and you'll be notified with the little bell that in any time that there is a comment reply. But again, that is just another feature just to show you that if you do get on a blog post, you really enjoy it, make sure to come down here and leave a comment. And because our authors and stuff will be able to take these comments and also reroute it to the person that may be if they share the great things that are in the article. So if you do, make sure to leave a great feedback for these articles, because we love getting these out there. But your experiences too matter as well, and we'd love to hear from you. I hope it has been helpful. Again, this is a preview of the blog commenting part of the system. And this is Michael Levy with the web team, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.